There is a slang in Haryanvi language where in India, after every 100 kilometers, language changes.
I show you the last video.
yes.
Language changes.
And he is the same guy.
Okay.
And the slang is like this: Desha mein desh Haryana, jit doodh dahi ka khana. In what we are saying, ke in many countries there is one country, that is India, and there is a place called as Haryana where we are sitting right now. Is a province. Haryana is a province where people used to have milk and curd. No other bad habits, no alcohol, nothing junk food. They are down to earth, eat raw food only. This is
But
that.
no, why they drink milk then?
Milk is a symbol of purity and power.
For not
This-
for human, right?
Some people think that vegans are not good and these things are not to be consumed by humans. Some people have that thought process, but in Haryana, milk is the purest form. We used to give a milk shower to our gods. This is the most purest form of thing.
So in the Netherlands, I don't know the word, the baby cows, they get taken away from the mothers immediately. So the mothers can give milk for the humans.
Exactly, it happens.
It happens here too.
It happens here too.
Well, it's cruel.
But it's cruel. Partially, it is cruel. But if we think about the needs of human, we never separate. In India, we never separate a baby cow from her or his mother. Never. Every day, that baby cow has to get a feed from his or her mother, and some part of that milk is used and consumed by humans. They never separate them completely.
You sure?
110%. Because we all are farmers, we live in villages, we don't treat cow as a animal. In India, cow is a symbol of a blessing. It is a sign of God. We used to call our next mother to cow.
Ah, yes.
Mother, no doubt, our mother give us the birth, but our nutritions, our food, the best meal, the first baby meal was after her mother's feed was cow's milk in India. So there is a holistic approach and spiritual connection with the thing. We are doing this, but not considered as cruel. This is a respect to that cow.
I understand.
So this is the reason we used to say, देशा में देश हरियाणा जित दूध दही का खाना. Hope you get that.
We worship cow also.
You worship.
Yes, I know.
So can you say one time to our viewers?
Well, I need to learn it first because it's very long.
Word by word you can say. देशा में देश
This summer, this.
हरियाणा
Haryana.
जित जित
Jit.
दूध
Dude.
दही
Dahi.
का
Ka.
खाना.
Kana.
The thing. देशा में देश हरियाणा जित दूध दही का खाना. And the most beautiful gesture Haryanvi people and Indian people used to greet everyone is like this: Ram Ram.
I can do that.
You can. To the complete India, you can say Ram Ram Ji.
Ram Ram Ji.
Jai Shri Ram.
And one more thing, there is something good about your journey in India. You had witnessed the biggest day of Indian history ever, and that is the establishment of the Ram Mandir. It is the biggest Indian temple, the most precious Indian temple in India. Not in terms of money and all. It is about the faith of people that connected at one place. It is the birthplace of Lord Rama. That is Ayodhya. And with so much pride and gratitude, we used to say Jai Shri Ram. You can also say Jai Shri Ram.
Jai Shri Ram.
Like this with enthusiasm, we used to say Jai Shri Ram. One time we can have from your side.
Jai Shri Ram.
Jai Shri Ram. ये कट्स तो बड़े काम आएंगे यार, ये तो आउट ऑफ इंडिया।
One more thing?
Huh?
या प्लीज
Yes,
No.
with energy.
यू कैन से।
No, she's kidding.
No, he's not kidding.
No.
One thing, if you will travel any city right now, you will find some orange color flags everywhere. This orange color is a part of Sanatan Dharma, the old Indian Dharma. Not Indian Dharma, the oldest dharma in the world is Sanatan Dharma. That makes every people connected, and that is the starting word of that dharma is with Lord Rama on this earth. And by enchanting Jai Shri Ram, we are hailing the word of Shri Ram. This is the reason we proudly say and loudly say Jai Shri Ram like this. This is the energy of this word, and it gives us the most powerful energy ever. Every Indian, if you say this word to every Indian, any Indian ever, Jai Shri Ram, he will reply you instantly with lot of respect and lot of gratitude. And Raman sir is not kidding that moment. He was feeling really very happy when you are saying the word
Yes.
of Lord Rama. This is the proud of India. This word is a proud of India. Ram Ram Ji and Jai Shri Ram. These two words are proud of complete India.
राम जी तो सारा खत्म ही कर दिया था,
खत्म ही हो गया था यार।
फिर दोबारा से फिर जिंदा हो गया। देखो
अब देखो हर जगह
ट्रेंड आ गया।
मैं गया सड़कों पे, हर गली हर दुकान के बाहर सर झंडा लगा हुआ जय श्री राम का, तो दिल खुश हो जाता है देखकर। That we wish in future we will get some more knowledge about India. It's a beautiful country, and we are thankful to you. We choose to be here.
And she is
Great.
going to open, hopefully, she is going to open a meditation center, a branch of Anand Gram in Netherlands.
Oh wow,
I hope so.
so great! It's a most beautiful work in this world to help others.
Yes.
The most important thing I think we have to do with everyone, out of their religions, out of their caste, out of their ages, out of their countries, nothing matters. It matters we should be happy all the time. We should be, this is life for once. I think. We would like to ask you one more thing. When you are going back to your country, what kind of spiritual gifts you are taking back for your friends and family over there? Whoever
I think they can see the results.
they can see
what
the
they
results.
what they did to me, and
A lot of
Yes.
changes and the beautiful things are now to be happened.
yes, and I think that's more than enough.
So did you learn something in Indian and regional languages, any word you had learned?
Chori.
What that you can say it again?
Chori.
Chori.
Yes.
Chori is the word that is to be theft, if I correct
Okay.
you. And one more thing, I think you want to say chori.
Yes.
Chori is the right word. वो यही कहना चाह रहे थे. Did someone call you that here in India?
Yes, there was another volunteer.
Yeah.
He called me something else first, but I could not.
You
I
did
could not remember it, so he changed it to Chori, because it was easier.
In Haryana, we used to greet, if we used to greet any lady here, and we
Yes.
used to ask any girl about something. So in Haryanvi language, they used to say chori. This is the word that guy wanna say you. And you used to speak in Dutch language also, right?
Yes.
So you can give a message to our viewers about if what you want to say. If you have to say that the day is very beautiful in Dutch language, what you have to say?
Het is een mooie dag.
That is
Het is een mooie dag.
a mooie dag. And if we have to say this in Haryanvi language, the word will be आज दिन बहुत बढ़िया है. You can recite आज दिन बहुत
Als din boer.
बढ़िया है. बढ़िया
Badia.
है.
He.
है. This is the, and there is one world record that Indian regional languages hold, the shortest form of words. If I speak something and you didn't get what I'm saying, what you will say in Dutch language? If you know.
Ik begrijp het niet.
Iba?
Ik begrijp het niet.
Iba hype. approximate 4 or 5 words you have to use
Yes.
if you are not getting anything said by anyone. And if in Haryana, especially in Haryana and in complete India, if any Indian didn't understand what any person in front of them is saying, they only say the shortest word, that is eh. Right?
better.
Did you get?
Yes.
तो ये हमारे हिंदुस्तान की, हरियाणा की खासियत है, सबसे छोटी भाषा में हम सबसे बड़ी बात कह जाते हैं. समझ नहीं आया तो इफ एनी इंडियन यू सेज देम समथिंग एंड इफ ही इज सेइंग इट मींस ही डिडंट अंडरस्टैंड, you have to recite again for them.
Good to know.
So this is the quality and good things about India.
Yes. Very
Definitely. And one last question, Elizabeth, you would like to ask, what you are going to miss the most from India when you will be back to your country?
much. This place.
Anand
And the
Gram.
food.
And food.
Yes.
Anand Gram
Anand Gram and the people here and the food.
and the food.
Yes.
हिंदुस्तान का जो स्वाद है खाने का, वो देश विदेश तक फैला है, उसे कैसे नहीं मिस किया जा सकता. ब्यूटीफुल. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर शेयरिंग ऑल द डिटेल्स.
Thank you.
सो दोस्तों, हरियाणा के पास गर्व करने के लिए सिर्फ चैंपियंस, साइंटिस्ट, सोल्जर्स ही नहीं है, यहाँ का एक आध्यात्मिक संज्ञान भी है जो बहुत ज़रूरी है समझना. हरियाणा की धरती पर इतने विचित्र चीज़ें हैं जो हमें खुद से जोड़ने में बहुत मदद करती है. और हमारे जो भी साथी इस वीडियो को देख रहे हैं, एलिजाबेथ जो नीदरलैंड से यहाँ पर पहुँची हैं, आत्मिक शांति के लिए हम कहेंगे, खुद को जानने के लिए, जैसा कि उन्होंने कहा, कुछ सवालों के जवाब रहते हैं जो हमारा अंतर्मन हमसे पूछता है लगातार, लेकिन हमारे पास कोई जवाब नहीं होता है. एक कन्फ्यूजन में रहते हैं, एक अंधेरे में रहते हैं कि क्या हम जो कर रहे हैं वो सही है या फिर गलत है, या फिर जो परिस्थिति हमें दिखा रही है वो क्यों ऐसा हमारे साथ कर रही है. और ऐसी उधेड़-बुन में जब ज़िंदगी रहती है तो एक निराशा का भाव उत्पन्न हो जाता है जो हमें उस स्थिति से और नीचे लेते चला जाता है जिस स्थिति में हम वर्तमान में रहते हैं. तो ऐसी ही स्थिति जब मन के सामने आ जाती है तो उसे कैसे बेहतर किया जा सकता है, आनंद ग्राम का यही लक्ष्य है. और इसी लक्ष्य की पूर्ति के लिए दूर देशों से यहाँ पर सेनानी पहुँचते हैं और अपनी आत्मिक शांति का अनुसरण करते हैं. एंड एलिजाबेथ इज़ वन ऑफ देम. Thank you so much, Elizabeth. There is a greet at the end we would like to say to all our viewers, that is a gesture like this and Jai Haryana. Is it okay to say?
Jai Haryana.
Jai Haryana.
Okay.
And when we close the conversation, we used to say Jai Haryana, right? So this is all for the show, and we would like to see you in the next video. Till then, take care and Jai Haryana.
Like and subscribe.
Yes, I do that.
The video is now recording. You can put your phone on silent.
Do you have your phone on silent?
जय माता. ये पैर एक उधर ले. You can change your cross legs. Will look symmetrical like this. No, change like this. You can see. नहीं, ये भी नहीं, मैच नहीं कर रहा. नहीं, you can cross. Change again the initial position. This is the best. Hari Om. We are starting. Jai Mata Di.